draw it up, and he'd make like a little bumper for it or guard, and it was. I was very impressed with what he could do.
But I'm more wanting to go into like the drafting
Yes,
aspect
yes.
of it.
It's kind of like what Josh Oyster does. What he
CAD design.
yeah, he
stuff
does
like
like
that.
CAD design and stuff. He designs all the pipes in Birmingham. I'm not sure if he still does that because he got a new job, so I'm not sure if it's the same stuff, but I know he is still in CAD design. So
When I worked at Greening, we had people that did CAD. Like, we made wheels and different parts for cars, and like, you can't get stuff anymore. Like, especially some older stuff like trim lines and stuff for dash panels and wheels, and we had people that would CAD design that, and we'd machine them out. We'd make it out of billet. We make a lot of stuff out of billet. And he got us into 3D printer stuff. Got into 3D printing, and he'd make like stuff out of rubber, like little bumps and stuff. He has like rear windows on like a 70s Ferrari, and it had a bump stop. When you take the car apart to paint it, those things break, and you can't get them. So he'd just got into like, his CAD design and made the 3D printer print out a rubber filament and just made the piece and we just popped it in. And then little gaskets for mirrors and just weird odd and end stuff that you can't get anymore. He's like, I'll just make that. And he'd just draw it up, and he'd make like a little bumper for it or guard, and I was very impressed with what he could do.
I was talking about that not long ago, about how expensive Miata parts are, because I'm building a Miata right now, and dude, parts are so expensive. If you don't 3D print your own parts, you're spending a fortune to try and get like just a small piece of, like a small piece of a part of a center console. Like, people charge outrageous money for it. Is absolutely insane.